Sometimes she sniffs the flowers. Sometimes she chases butterflies. And sometimes she just plays with her own tail. Her actions are so adorable that anyone watching can't help but smile. Suddenly, a tiny bird appears in front of her. Both the cat and the bird stare at each other for a few moments, as if curious about one another. Then the cat lets out a soft meow, and the bird gently flies away. The cat and face goes right back to playing happily, as if every little thing around her is a brand new adventure waiting to be explored.